If you wake up most mornings feeling tired before your day even starts, stiff joints, a heavy stomach, low energy that coffee barely touches, I want you to watch this entire video, because this 2-ingredient morning drink has been sitting in spice cabinets all over the world for centuries. Grandmothers made it. Ancient traditions used it, and researchers are now studying it seriously for its effects on inflammation, digestion, liver function, and steady energy. The drink takes 10 minutes to prepare. The effects may start within the first 10 minutes of drinking it. Let me show you exactly how it works and exactly how to make it correctly. In this video, you're going to learn 3 things. First, why the specific combination of clove and lemon is more powerful than either ingredient alone, and the chemical reason that unlocks everything. Second, a precise timeline of what's happening inside your body from the first minute to the first month. And third, the exact recipe, including the 3 mistakes that 9 out of 10 people make the very first time they try this. Mistakes that turn a powerful health drink into nothing but flavored water if you're over 50. Especially if you've been dealing with bloating, stiffness, or that mid-afternoon energy crash that just won't quit. Pay close attention. The order of what I'm about to tell you matters. Let's start with why this actually works. Because if you don't understand the reason, you won't stick with it long enough to feel the difference. Now here is the effect that almost nobody expects. And it often happens within the very first few days. Most people who start this drink are looking for energy or clearer skin or a lighter stomach. What surprises them is the gut. Eugenol appears to interact with the gut lining in a way that supports the balance between helpful and harmful bacteria. It doesn't wipe the gut clean. It gently shifts the environment. For people who have lived with bloating, irregular digestion, or that uncomfortable heaviness after meals for years, this is often the first change they feel, sometimes within 3 days, not because something dramatic happened, but because something that had been slightly off for a long time quietly settled. That's the best way I can describe it, a quiet settling. Let me walk you through what happens inside your body. Starting from the moment you take your first sip. In the first minute, the warm liquid coats your mouth and your stomach lining. The slight warmth and the clean, spiced aroma signal your nervous system that the day is beginning. Many people notice an immediate clean feeling in their mouth, almost like a quiet reset in the first 5 minutes. The eugenol begins to gently calm the smooth muscles of the stomach. The citric acid triggers your digestive juices, which have been dormant all night, to begin activating. If you woke up feeling heavy or bloated, that feeling often starts to soften. Many people describe it as a quiet sigh of relief inside the belly in the first 10 minutes. This is the moment that surprises almost everyone the first time they try it. A clean, gentle energy rises through you, not the sharp jolt of caffeine, not the wild rush of sugar. A calm, focused alertness. The morning fog begins to lift. Your eyes feel more awake. Your thinking sharpens before you've even had coffee. This is not a placebo. This is your body responding to the right signal first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. If you're finding this useful, a quick subscribe takes 1 second and it helps this channel reach more people who need it. Most viewers are watching without being subscribed, so if this is helping you, it helps us too. Now, let's talk about what happens over the next 30 days. By the end of the first day, many people notice their morning bathroom routine feels more complete. Hydration feels improved. The bitter, metallic taste some people wake up with is often gone. After 3 days, something interesting starts to happen with blood sugar. The wild swings that leave you tired and hungry by mid-afternoon begin to soften. That 4 p.m. craving that sends you toward cookies or chips, it starts to fade on its own after 1 week. The body feels quieter. The morning stiffness that used to take 30 minutes to work out of your joints takes less time. Some mornings you wake up and simply notice nothing hurts yet. After 1 month, your skin begins to tell the story. Your skin is a mirror of your liver. When your liver receives consistent, gentle support, your skin tends to look brighter, more even. People will start asking what you changed, and your energy becomes steadier. Not higher, steadier. The kind of energy that doesn't crash at 2 p.m. Some people report that after 3 months, their doctor looks at their routine blood work and genuinely asks what they've been doing differently, and they think back to this video and to the little jar of cloves they almost forgot about. Here is the exact recipe. Follow it precisely, because the wrong method gives you flavored water. The right method gives you something far more powerful. Step 1. Take 1 cup of clean water, about 250 milliliters. Heat it gently, warm, not boiling. The right temperature is roughly that of a comfortable cup of tea. Boiling water destroys both the eugenol and the vitamin C before they ever reach your body. Step 2. Take exactly 2 whole dried cloves. Not 3, not 5, not powder, whole cloves. The dose matters. More is not better. Lightly crush them before adding them to the water, just enough to crack the surface. Step 3. Cover the cup with a small saucer or plate. This step is the one almost everyone skips. The healing oils in clove are volatile. They evaporate with the steam. Cover it. Let it steep for 7 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Squeeze half of a fresh lemon directly into the warm clove water. Real lemon only. Bottled lemon juice contains preservatives that interfere with the synergy. Step 5. Drink it slowly, on a completely empty stomach. Before coffee, before food. This is the first thing that enters your body in the morning. That is the entire recipe. 2 cloves. Half a lemon. 1 cup of warm water. 10 minutes. Now the 3 mistakes that silently destroy this drink and leave people wondering why it isn't working. Mistake 1. Boiling water. If the water is still bubbling when you pour it, the eugenol breaks down and the vitamin C is immediately destroyed. Warm water, not hot. Mistake 2. Adding sugar or honey. It seems harmless. It's not. Sweeteners, even natural ones, reduce the blood sugar balancing effect that many people are specifically looking for. If the taste is too sharp at first, use only a quarter of a lemon. Your taste buds will adjust within 5 days. Mistake 3. Using ground clove powder. Ground clove loses the majority of its essential oils within weeks of being opened. By the time it reaches your drink, most of what you wanted is already gone. Always whole cloves. Tomorrow morning, before coffee, before food, before anything, try it once. 2 cloves. Half a lemon. 1 cup of warm water. 10 minutes to steep. Then sit quietly. Pay attention. Notice the clean feeling in your mouth, the lightness in your stomach, the calm alertness rising through you before caffeine ever enters the picture. This is what your body feels like when you give it the right signal. You are not too old for this. You are not too far gone. Your body has not given up on you. It is waiting every single morning for the right signal. And this drink, humble and ancient and almost forgotten, is one of the kindest signals you can ever send it. Leave a comment below with 1 or 2 words describing what your body needs most right now. Better sleep, less pain, more energy, calmer mornings. The moment you put it into words, something shifts. The vague heaviness becomes a clear goal. I'll see you in the next video.